Ron here at the Multi-Equip booth again. Nice to see you again, my friend. And you brought a unique piece of equipment to the show this year, did you not?
Yeah, absolutely. You know, Roger, every time we come to World of Concrete, Whiteman is always really at the forefront of their game with what we're doing with concrete finishing innovation.
Sure.
And if you remember last year, we talked about having more power to the floor.
Right.
And we're doing that again this year, really, with this machine. This is what we're calling the PRX.
The power flow.
That's right. It is the industry's first dedicated power float. And it's got 12 feet of coverage, and that's
12 feet, that's unique, isn't it not?
It is. Actually, there's many things about this machine that are unique, many things.
Well, tell me about some of them.
Okay, well, first of all, let's start with the driveline.
Okay.
This has a Ford Power Products V6 3.6 liter engine, and it's a dual fuel. So when running in gasoline, you're producing about 105 horsepower.
Wow.
And in propane, you're producing 115 horsepower.
Are there some features that are built into this machine that are just coming into the marketplace now?
Yes. First of all, with the driveline, coming off the engine, what we have is a unique system, and it's patent pending. We have a generator actually close coupled to the engine. So that generator produces AC power that is sent to a pair of multi-phase high torque electric motors down below that actually turn the rotors.
Right.
And those are liquid cooled motors. They're very much leading edge technology, and that's a first in this industry.
Is there a reason this PRX is called a float?
Yes. Well, the Whiteman power trowels, they all do two things. They float and finish concrete. But this is a machine that's dedicated as a power float, so there are no trowel blades on it.
Ah, okay. That's the difference.
That's what it is. So in the absence of the trowel blades, what we've done is we've taken out the pitch mechanism, and we've actually created a couple of 8-legged rotors that are designed to optimize the flatness and coverage area on the machine. This is the first true 12-foot machine out there because we have two 6-foot rotors on this machine. That's never been done before. That's an industry first.
What about operator comfort? Everything is joystick?
Well, yeah, the operators will enjoy a lot of features on this machine that I think they can expect to see more of coming from Whiteman because beyond the ergonomics, the platform is wide, it's large, it's easy to walk around on, it's easy to access, it's easy to egress from as well. And we also have a multifunction LCD control panel that provides a lot of information to the operator, not just the operator, but to the techs and the folks who maintain the equipment. Operator-wise, you're able to set your rotor speed. You're able to get, of course, all the critical features, critical alerts like oil pressure, and, fuel level, all that good stuff is in there. So that's all at a glance. Plus, from the technician side, you can pick up the hours, and you can pick up a lot of other critical data that you need just from a service and maintenance aspect. Another great feature of this machine is that contractors will have the ability to change the rotation of the blades on demand from the cockpit. Just a flick of the switch from the operator's position, and they can change the rotation of the blades. We built in a safe to use feature so that when the machine is being lifted off the slab, you can use a jog feature here that you can just advance the rotors ever so slightly to break the vacuum and lift it up. Yes. So this is the rotor jog feature, and when you press this button, it causes the pans down below to advance so that you can lift the machine up. It's not a machine that's necessarily for everybody either. First of all, with the coverage area, you're talking about large industrial pours, big box retail jobs, and I mean, certainly it's for contractors who are doing
overall big square footage.
Yeah, with for contractors that are covering a lot of ground and with jobs that have a lot of square footage.